What is good, everybody? 3 to the 1 from the 1 to the 3. You woke up this morning and you decided you wanted to live DOD. Let's go. What's good? What's good? What's good? What up? What up? What up? What up? What up? How we all doing? What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? Let's see here. Get this all settled out. Okay. All right, everybody, let's go. I got both my coffees. I got a double up on the coffee order this morning, guys. Paydown's back. We're two green days in a row, baby. Let's make it 3. Let's make it 3, my friends. Let's make it 3. I don't see why not. I don't see why it couldn't be 3. I don't see why it couldn't be 3. All right, let's do this. Let's get it. Let's get it. Good morning, everybody. What's up? What's up, Daniel? What's up, RR? John, Artif? Yeah, we doubled up on the coffee today, my boy. You already know. All right, got to do this TikTok intro. What's going on, TikTok? This live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading only. Everything said here is for educational and entertainment purposes only. My name is Jdun. My ad is Team Bull Trading. And it is 7:09 a.m. Mountain Time. 7:09 a.m. Mountain Time. Starting a few minutes late. Gene isn't coming today. He's at the office. So I had to go get my fam our coffee. I had to get the fam coffee because I got my whole family in town. Got mom, grandma, little sister, and little brother here. I gotta have Grizzly. I'm having DOD withdrawals. I missed you too. I missed you too. Yep, it's been 2 good days in a row. Well, I was green 2 days in a row. That the first one was but yesterday was fire. Yesterday was a great trading day. Do I ever do giveaways? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we do. You bet your butt we do. You bet your butt we do. Heck yeah. Specifically when we catch bangers, we like to celebrate. We like to celebrate. I had another great arms day yesterday. This is my fam trade. We're going to have to ask Grandma what the bias is. I think I know what she's going to say, though. I think I know what she's going to say. I think she's going to say, shorts. I think that's what she's going to say. She loves the shorts. Maybe that's where I get it from. Yep, sorry, I was a few minutes late. I had to run to get our coffee today. Jdun, take the wheel. Take control of all my trades. I don't want to blow these accounts anymore. That's the new remix of Jesus Take the Wheel. It's called Jdun Take the Wheel. And helps with account blowing prevention. Shorts are for short kings, and that is me. Grizzly will not add me to the Zoom. Grizzly, add me to the Zoom. Yo, will you add me to the Zoom, please? Sorry, it didn't. That's all right. It just won't let me do what I usually do. Take host. Bet. What are you doing today? Oh, what time? Oh, so you won't be around hardly at all. Well, I'll take the reins today. It's all right. Yep, I'll text you a trade. Say, hey, here it is. Catch it. All right, dog. I bet. Well, I'll see you soon. Bye. All right. What's up, Team Bull Money Team? Sorry, I couldn't get into the Zoom. Grizzly was busy. But now he's not busy. And now we are live, baby. What's going on? Oh, let's see here. Link is above DOD. All right. Bro, I was already saying you didn't text me. All right. There we go. There we go. There we go. Man, I've been eating like a freaking. What does my bias? If I had to pick a bias, well, right now it actually technically looks like up. We're right back in this range. Well, I thought we were going to escape. Market said, no escaping for you. Sorry. Right back in this range. In a perfect world, I'd love to see a lower high and a move down, but pre-market, it looks like we want to move up. Yes, these bigger time frames are disgusting. Bro, did you guys see my story yesterday? My post on TikTok? How funny was that? Dude, this dude, I'm not even going to say his name, was on his story talking all this shit. There was some fake Jdun in his Zoom, I guess, or something that sounded like he had learned English a year ago, or it was in like second grade. And dude was talking all this shit. And yeah, bro had bought my mentorship. Wrote a testimonial, a full testimonial. I'm talking, dude was just couldn't contain himself over the program. Found out this guy had a health scare, so I gave him free merch in celebrating that he beat his health scare. And then he's like, "Oh, this kid Jdun." Like, no. This kid Jdun is your mentor, buddy. This kid Jdun is one you were ranting and raving about how this program taught you everything. Don't test me, my boy. Don't test me. But you guys got to remember, hate never comes from above, only below. Hate always comes from below. Yeah, Ben's really nice. Jesus. Great kid. Great kid. I don't got beef with no other traders. I'm making enough money doing this. I'm cool on that. Yeah, we're make it clap for daddy. Yeah, Beckmer, kinda. All right, so as far as levels today, as far as what we're watching, we have our Asia high up here at 660, we're literally right around Asia high right now. We have pre-market high up at 735. So based on our higher time frames, let's see. For any sort of long entry, got a lot of supply in this area. Some heavy hourly rejections. I'd love to see us build above like 750 and ideally above like 800 if we're going to test longs. I'd like to see us build above those levels, but there is a world where we come up, make a lower high, then we target these pre-market lows as well. Do I still trade individual stocks? Not a ton, but I watch Tesla almost every day. I've been more and more inclined to. We were taking a trip down memory lane yesterday on my IG, and it made me really want to get back into trading individuals. What's up, Grizzly? Just looking for some levels to trade. Bro's basically saying that he hates us. I'll be trading Monday. I don't execute. No, yeah, lefty law. I don't execute on Trading View. Yeah, me either. I just watch. I just chart. I really like their charts. That's about it. Ugh. What's that big push up from? Was it news? Something. Part of me wants to watch for a higher low pre-market around this like 5. We have a key level at 573. That wick high and then that support from yesterday. So I will be watching this level right here, 570. We'll paint that red. What do you think, Grizzly?
Never know with that. You never know with them either. So.
Oh boy. Let's see what they give us today. I'm going to watch for a higher low. It's like 573 area. We have multiple touches. I will also be watching our toxic love-hate relationship, love and hate of our life, Tezzy baby. Where is my... All right, here we go. What move do I have on Tesla? That's what I'm looking at right now. We're right at 400, so it's kind of an odd... Kind of an odd spot. I'll probably wait the first 15 minutes. Probably wait the first 15 minutes, but I like this higher low for the NASDAQ. Daily chart shows us absolutely nothing. Four hours not showing us a whole lot either. I still think we break above this like 750 area. We do have room to go retest like 850 to 920. That's my main watch this morning, everybody. Dun dun. We bounced that 400 again. This 400 is really strong. 400 up to 440 or 24,000, excuse me, to 400. This whole area is going to be really aggressive demand. Once and if we get enough news to break this down, it can be really aggressive to the downside. Because my twin is on YouTube Live. You didn't know I had a brother? His name's Jdun. He's a little fruity, but we still gotta love him. But no, you're watching Jdun on this live. Yeah, Jdun's a little fruity. He's tall and fruity. Wow, I called myself that and it restricted my life for 10 minutes on TikTok. I was poking fun at myself. Damn, that's lame. Literally restricting me. I thought it said for bullying. I was talking to myself. I was speaking to myself. Oh, well. Hey, if you guys want to see my full screen share, come on over to YouTube, guys. Jdun Trades. Jdun Trades on YouTube. Don't talk about your brother like that. My brother heard me. Yep. YouTube is better. YouTube's great. I love our YouTube fam. All right, guys, we got 3 minutes or 2 minutes now. We got 2 minutes, everybody. We got 2 minutes till open. Let's find ourselves a nice winner today. You know what? I'm just restarting this TikTok live. I'll be right back, TikTok. If you want the full screen share, go to YouTube right now. Jdun Trades on YouTube. Go over right now. Come join us on YouTube. Right now, Jdun Trades. All right, TikTok. This live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading only. Everything said here is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it, everybody. All right, Grizzly, we need a 5-minute work day. Ding, 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 ding. All right, guys, let's get it. Market is open. This is your reminder to choose DOD. Happy Friday, everybody. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, and let's get to the money. How we doing, Team Bull Chat? You guys all awake? You guys all alive? Geez, don't everybody type at once in Team Bull Chat. Let's go. Every day before market open the last few days, you know what we do? Every day I want to get my blood moving. I want to get my blood pumping. I want to stay focused. And there's lots of studies that you learn better when you combine physical movement and education. And it's also known that if you want to change your state, you change your state. You want to change your psychology, you change your biology. So I'm going to do my 10 push-ups today. I'd love for you to join me if you can. Do 10 jumping jacks, do 10 punches, whatever you got to do. I'm doing my 10 push-ups, baby. Right now. In my big old puffer jacket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Uh-oh. It's a wrap, baby. Now we're good. We're going, baby. Let's go. What broker do I use? I use EdgeClear for the most part for my life. And we got VWAP. Oh, look what VWAP lines up with. Way down at our level, at my bounce level, 572. Let's go, baby. Bro sounded like he was gyrating them hips. I'm not loving this Tesla open either. I got my coffee. Paydon is here, and I got something new today, guys. I went to the coffee shop, and they said, "Hey, do you want a red eye for free?" I said, "What the hell is a red eye?" And she said, "It's some black coffee mixed with espresso." I said, "Oh, all right. Say less. Sign me up, baby." So I got a red eye today. We're gonna see how red eye trading goes. Do I have any red eye drinkers here? Bro's gonna have pink eye tomorrow. I'm ripping off the red eyes. It was a double. Yep. You know what else I really like is I like Cuban coffee a lot too. I love me Cuban coffee. Turn off the signal. What does that mean? Espresso mornings. What's your favorite coffee brand? I don't really have a favorite coffee brand. I like local coffee shops that have good beans. So guys, I'm going to watch this VWAP for a bounce today. I'm going to watch this 570 area. I want us to break through, then reclaim. But I will watch this for a bounce. Not typically how I trade, but from all the back testing I've been doing and all the observing I've been doing, I might be changing it up a little bit. We'll see. Yesterday, we caught a banger on those shorts. That was absolutely just beautiful. We stayed patient. Why did this get moved down? We stayed patient, and we caught this nice move up here on this candle for this aggressive move down. Just textbook, lower high, retest. Strategy finally worked. Felt like my strategy was broken for a week. That is crazy, John. Juan Valdez, best Colombian coffee. I can get down. I can get down with that. I love Cuban coffee. My boy Caesar, if you're in here, put me on. My boy Caesar put me on. Trend day. I sure hope so. Orb didn't stop working. I'll still trade an opening range trade if it makes sense. Yo, before we get on our next trade, I need all of you guys to tap in. If you're on YouTube, hit that thumbs up button. We're on a two-day green streak now, hoping to make it 3. Hit that thumbs up button. We got almost 1,000 people in here, and we got 130 likes. What's up with that, baby? If you're choosing DOD, if you're ready to make some money, if you're ready to choose that positive karma button, hit that thumbs up. And if you're on TikTok, same deal. Tap that screen over and over. Get them thumbs moving. Get that blood moving, and let's get it. Come on, baby. Cafe Cubano. Let's go. Man, I was really hoping they'd give us that bounce. Why is discipline so hard? Because it goes against everything that's comfortable. It goes against everything you're used to. It goes against what's easy. Of course it's hard. If being disciplined was easy and if being a disciplined trader was easy, everyone would do it. It's not. Am I safe to? My daily accounts. Damn, what an absolute... What? Heck yeah, Grizzlies spent 9 minutes here. Let's go. Well, good trading with you this week. Nice job, and I'll see you Monday, bro.
I was gonna watch something. It would be that pre-market high for a possible reject.
Okay. All right, bro. I'll be around, guys. I'm sticking around for the next hour and a half. That's it. This jacket's getting warm. It's time to bring suns out, guns out. Suns out, guns out, baby! I'm flexing, if you were wondering. Grizzly he has other responsibilities today. He's exercising his Eighth Amendment right of trading, which is thou shalt shot. Or Eighth Commandment of trading is thou shalt have freedom when need be. I just picked a random number. I don't know. Yeah, Grizzly has to travel. So you guys are stuck with me today. Sorry. So I'm watching. Originally, I wanted to see this balance at this key level down here. I'm also open to what Grizzly said as well, this pre-market high, or a trend entry in between. I love that commandment of trading. Thou shalt do whatever he wants with the freedom he wants. Yeah, that was insane. I literally flamed that guy, Stock Boy. If you saw my IG story or my TikTok, flamed, and bro deleted it. I was like, yeah, don't test me, bro. I don't even do drama. I don't got beef with nobody, but don't be lying on me. Come on now. Bro done came in, took my program, wrote a whole paragraph on how great it was, blah, 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 blah. And then started hating. All right, let's see here. We got 3 more minutes in this 5-minute candle. Jeez Louise. 40 points from our bounce area. 610 down to 570. Technically, it's like 575, so even a little less. All right, guys. As far as our news goes today, we have news at 10 a.m. We have job openings and we have consumer sentiment. We got a double whammy in 18 minutes. I think house music is the key to profitable trading. Just jamming. I want to ask Grandma which way she thinks she's here, but I know what she's gonna say. She likes the shorts. She's short biased. That is funny. I like TJR. He's always been really nice to me. He always gives me early access to all the kill tech drops. We've always been boys. People like to hate, but I like him. He's always been nice to me. Jeez Louise. Our bounce just bounced. If we would have gotten this a few minutes in, man. I know Grandma is better. All right, guys, we have 8 more seconds in this candle. Looks like we're going to have lower volume, too. That's actually really interesting. $740, $667. I was going to say we can look for a bounce back at pre-market high. It's really high risk. No, I don't love that. I was going to say we can watch for a bounce back to 740, down to like 725, but your stops have to be like 700. We're breaking opening range high. You guys see that? Don't. 1 minute gap, too. I will still watch. I'm open to watching for a move back down to that pre-market high area, like 740. It's just a lot higher risk. It's a lot higher risk, but I'm still open to it. Not saying I love it. I'm saying that I'm open to it. I would have rather seen our VWAP bounce, but I guess beggars can't be choosers, right? I guess beggars can't be choosers. Appreciate all y'all being here and choosing DOD today. We're going to trade smart, trade safe, stay focused. Is this a buy? It could be a buy if we retrace. Grizzly's not here. He'll be back Monday. You guys are stuck with me, unfortunately. Sorry. I promise I'll try to keep it chill. I'll do my best to keep it chill. As a reminder, if you guys want to trade with me today, you can use code Jdun with any of our partner firms. Apex, Tradeify. Right now, I'm loving the Tradeify accounts. I have 5 funded accounts with them select accounts, 2 of which are over the threshold for daily payouts. So you can use code Jdun with Tradeify. 30% off all the accounts right now. Yep, I love the select 50Ks are my favorite. They're like $100, no activation fee. All right, let's see what this gives us. Let's see what this gives us, everybody. Don't. We touched 800 and rejected. Let's see what this gives us. It's kind of a sketchy 5-minute candle to long, though, huh? It's kind of a sketchy 5-minute candle. Oh, I don't like that 5-minute candle. How much just along that? A hammer to the downside. Like, this area looks okay. The VWAP's way down here. Our 50% retracement of this candle is way down here. There's nothing on the hour time frame right now. We have no candle closures, nothing. I mean, maybe a rejection up here, but I have a hard time longing a candle like that. It's tough. Especially when the stop loss for the trend setting candle would have to be below like 667. We're also below the 15-minute high. We had a rejection candle from that 15-minute high and pushed down. That's why I'm a little hesitant to try anything. We also have news in 9 minutes. We have news in 9 minutes. Interested to see where this ends up moving here. How this 5 minute ends up going. You can average an apex. They don't have any rule against DCA. Don't. We do this, baby. Let's get it. Let's see what they give us. I've not gone in on any positions yet. I was watching for the longs down there. It's just a little risky for my liking. Right now, I have no interest whatsoever in shorts until we see some sort of reversal candle or some key level takeout, which as of now, we're holding above pre-market high. I would have to maybe like rejecting yesterday's high or maybe like 900s. I've learned a lot from watching your lives every day. Let's go. Appreciate you, bro. I need this red eye drink to give me some wisdom. Less volume. 735. If we had more volume, I'd say we could have Fran look at a retrace down here. We also have news in 5 minutes. I don't hate the idea of like 770-ish, 760 for a long with stops below like 735. She don't hate that idea. It's just a little risky. Let's see how this candle forms. I don't hate the longs down here. It's a little sketchy, but I don't hate it. We'll see. We'll wait. We'll see how this candle forms. We have news in 4 minutes, so I'm not super rushed on trying to find something. We got news in 3 minutes now. 3 minutes now. We have news in 3 minutes. We got red folder. What about red volume? I haven't taken anything. We have consumer sentiment and job openings. 2 pieces of news. Jdun, I'm watching you on my For You page for almost 3 years now. Best trader on the app. Appreciate you, bro. Still just waiting. I wonder what our 50% retracement is. Right around 700. Point of control is 660. The VWAP's down at 620. Man. Jdun passed 5 eval accounts this week. DOD. Let's go. That's awesome. We got a minute till news, guys. 1 minute. Oh, we got 1 minute till news. Come on, baby. Give us something. News in 20 seconds, guys. If you're in positions, be aware of that. Got bullish divergence and VIX confirming. Interesting. All right, dropped. John, that's amazing. I'm going to read that out loud a little later once we die down a little bit. I still prefer the longs until we break below like 667. Man, John is Team Bull certified. Another 5-figure week payout. That's awesome. On top of the world. Come on, baby. Give me something. Give me a trend day. Or give me death. We're rejecting up here again. Rejecting pre-market high. Let's see. All right, guys. This is your 30 minutes and a reminder to choose DOD. Trade smart, trade safe. You are a day trader, not a trade every day trader, not a take every trade trader. Just relax. Have some patience. Have some discipline. Think of yourself as a professional trader in a professional setting, and this is your business. This is not a game. This is not a hobby. Even if you only do it for an hour or 2 a day, you're still operating your business as an owner for an hour or 2 a day, and you got to take that very seriously. Just chill out and relax. Yeah, what he said. Let's see if we can get a confirmation candle below this pre-market high. I love that mindset. I appreciate you. I hope so. A lot of aggressive sellers entering. Yep. They always say consumer sentiment is positive. But then when I talk to everyday people, no one's super thrilled about how the economy is. I don't know. Most people that are working honest everyday jobs are like, yeah, I'm not doing incredible. I don't know. Maybe that's just people I talk to, but I don't know. I think the majority of people would be like, yeah, economy hasn't been great for a while. I remember the days back in the day where our CPI data would dictate how the whole next 2 weeks would go. Those are the days. I'm still waiting for these. We're right in the middle of this range, guys. We're between pre-market high and pre-market low, and we're below 15-minute high and 15-minute low where this box is drawn. So right now I'm just waiting. Ooh. I always tell people that too, is, even no matter what the economy does, you can always find a way to win. People in every recession ever have found a way to win. It's your job to make that happen. All right, so this is a good reversal candle. If we see here, 766. I will watch for a short up at 740 area. It's a little higher risk, but I'll watch that 730 to 740. I'll let you guys know if I take it. I'm not in love with it, but I'm open to it. Oh, man, we touched right up there between 730 and 740 and rejected. Literally right there. Right there between 730 and 740. I still don't hate the setup. I still like the setup. I think there's a world where we can get a nice move down. But dang, I literally went up there right away, touched as I was saying that, and then moved. So here's 766. I'm playing defense this week. Playing defense this week. If I can make, average, say, $1,000 a day, I'm happy. And as of now, up over 3K this week. Wiped out last week's red week and My first red day this week as well. So I'm happy with it. We're gonna end this week green regardless, even if I lose today. Damn. All right, let's see. I still like the short setup, guys. Why are you thinking long? What are you talking about? One time I was watching longs on the pullback, and then it invalidated. So, damn, that would have been the one right there. Still looks like it wants more downside. We'll see. I'm not gonna force this to the downside, but I still like. I don't love that volume, but price action looks good still. I'd love to see us break down. We're getting near that point of control, as you can see here. Don't really use that a whole lot. And then also VWAP is we're getting closer to as well. And that would have been the one. That hurts. Don't. Where's the 50%? Still open to a pop back up for shorts. I'd love to see us go and test this opening range low. We just have a lot of support areas down here. Bummed this happened too fast. Touched up here 730 to 740 and just popped immediately. Oh, come on, baby. Come on, give us a pop back up to like 700. So I can watch for a short. The only area I liked, this was the one that got away so far. This is the one that got away so far. I do want to short. I'm not like finger on the trigger ready at 700, but that's what I'd like to watch. If we get some aggressive push-up candle and hold down here, then we could look for more upside. But right now, with that failure of the 15-minute high, and with price action so far, I'm looking down. Do I look at flow? Occasionally. Come on. Push up. Regardless, push up. Whether we're going to get an uptrend or we're getting a reject and move lower. Regardless, we want to see him move up. Damn, Brandon with a winning trade too. Let's go. Let's dope. Team Bolt on a heater. Last 2 days. All right, let's see here, guys. I'm still waiting. I would like to see move up regardless. Regardless of whether we get a reversal here or we catch another lower high, I'd like to see a move up. We got some support coming in here. Use your code for Apex today. I appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you, dog. Come on. Push up a little. Things just made 800. I don't even want the longs. I just want a push back up. Do a lower high at like 700. The only setup, A+ setup I had right here. I missed at 735. We got VWAP down here at 630, so we'll see how we react to that. You say you hesitate too much, but then it keeps me alive, and I've been trading for almost 10 years and made over $3 million doing it. So I'd rather hesitate and do this for 10 years than bomb every trade and continually blow accounts, because that's what I used to do. Because I would take every trade I saw over and over, and that would end up effing me. Now I trade very defensive and keeps me alive, keeps me enjoying it. There's some times where I miss a trade and I'm like, dang, but setup's going to come again. That's why I don't really care. We're about to touch VWAP. Let's see how this reacts down here. Let's see. That was the one. This was the one that would have been mega trade. I'm glad to know our bias is on right now. That's good. We'll take what we can get. Yep, DOD, baby. That's right. Call me crazy, but we're holding this. We have a reversal candle with higher volume. We have a doji right here. Higher volume. And we bounce VWAP. I'm not so sure about a reject right now. And we could reject technically in this like 700, but this tells me we might want to move up. We also held above that Asia high too. You guys see this here? Asia high was 660. So we'll see. I'm not confident either way. I'm going to wait to see how this next 5-minute candle goes. Let's see here. Rogue codes, baby. Yep, let's see. It's just tough for me to, short or long right here. We didn't go up to 700 either, so even if I wanted to short, we wouldn't have gotten my entry. I think J should be done trading. That's smooth. J is not going to be done trading. I'm saying is my bias has been winning, baby. That's what we do. $650. Come on, baby. Okay, baby. Give me something good. Still waiting. Touch 691. What's the low here? 635. I'm halfway tempted to. I got like probably another hour. But halfway tempted to just keep my green weak. Or we add to it and make it bright green. Make it extra super green. 660, 633. It's not quite sold in the shorts yet. Not quite yet. We break below VWAP, this point of control, and then ideally the opening range low, I'd be a lot more sold. We're still right in the middle of this range. Team Bold DOD. Let's go. So I haven't really used point of control a ton in my trading. I started using Grizzly's indicator, and I know a lot of people do use it, but it's the highest volume spot of the day where, typically speaking, if you're above it and volume stays high, you're going to move up, or if we go below it, kind of like VWAP, you're going to trend down. Not always, but let's see. We're touching that 700 and now selling off. Let's see if we can get a solid 5-minute confirmation candle. So far, I've seen nothing confirming on the 5-minute. I'd love to see an aggressive push down, like down to here, retest back up, and then put our stops above like 700. That's what I'd like if we're going to get shorts. If I'm going to try shorts, that's the setup that I'd like to see. They will not chop me out. No way, no how, baby. Not happening. Not happening. Not allowed. Yeah, we don't talk politics here, Mike. If you want drama, you can go to Fox News or CNN or Facebook. We're here to make money. I already told you that I don't represent the Republican or the Democrat Party. I represent the America First and DOD Party. I care about my family. I care about the people around me. I care about staying healthy. And I think that both sides are rotten. The end. I think they both suck. How about that? Ain't shit changed in 30 years. I'm in the Jesus is King party. All right? I'm Team Jesus. That's what team I am. Amen, baby. Amen, baby. Team Jesus. Amen. Yup. All right, let's see. See, I was a little. That's why I didn't want to short up here at the 700, guys. Is I thought about it, and then we held this VWAP. We had this reversal candle with higher volume. All these signs, like I couldn't quite take the longs, but I'm just not sold in the shorts till we break down these levels. Not quite sold yet. Maybe if we get a solid trend confirming candle here, we can watch for that wouldn't technically be a 2-bar, right? And depending on where we close, it could be. All right, let's see here. I'd love to see a nice 2-bar. All right, come on. Come on, baby. The one setup I really liked, I missed up here. Too fast, hesitation, whatever you want to call it. This was the setup up here that I really liked, was this test up here, then reject. The chart's not behind. It's definitely you're probably just not caught up on the stream, or it's the delay for a few seconds. Yeah, there's like a 5-second delay or something. This is looking interesting for a short setup if we close this candle right here. 728. I'm not in love with it, but I think it offers some good risk reward. We'll see if we end up wicking down. We'll see how this candle closes. Just cut that whole wick nice. Come on, let's see if we can pop. I don't hate shorts, guys. I don't hate them with this wick right here. Come on, don't go down first. No, 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 no. Don't go down first. I still like them. I still like it. I just didn't want us to push down first. That's dirty, Nazdaquita. Dude, the Jdun think indicator is money. Literally money. Dino. Oh, that sucks. Oh, that sucks. That hurts. That sucks. I was ready to rip those. Damn. I didn't give any entry, so I mean that sucks. I just wanted to see like 700. We opened the candle at like 690 and or 689, went up like 2 points. Your think indicator is probably a 95% win rate. Honestly, it probably is. Just past 5 legacy Apex accounts on that. Let's go. Glad you made some money. $670. Then we're going to get an aggressive wake up. It's Friday the 13th, too. I just realized that. Yep, turned right at VWAP again. Holding this VWAP again. I'm not sure which way I want to see this go. If not, I'm getting a DOD tattoo. All right, I see you. Bro, give up. You're not going to... What are you talking about? I'm not going to pass your eval. We never give up here. Quitters give up. We don't quit. If I get DOD on my forehead, do I get a lifetime access to Team Bull? Sure. I think he earned it at that point. Let's see if we finally break this down. See if we finally break this down. Got 4 more minutes on this candle. If we close this strong, I'll watch for a push back up, like I said before, and then with stops above like 700 probably. Maybe I should get a temporary tattoo of DOD on my forehead. This might give it here. This could give it here. We got 3 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. We'll see. This might give it here. Come on. Come on, baby. Give us a strong close down here and let me take some shorts back, but like VWAP to point of control. Equal lows might go back up. We'll see. We'll see. As a reminder, I appreciate you guys using code Jdun. You can use it with Alpha Futures, Tradeify, Apex, and Vanquish. Best possible discounts. Got about 1 minute. We're going to get higher volume on this. We're going to get higher volume on this, I think. I'm going to watch for a pop back up. We also have pre-market low. It's a ways away. Down at 400, so we're a ways away from that. There's the volume. All right, guys. Let's see if we can catch a short on this pop back up. If we get it. Come on, push it back up. Don't just go straight down. Push it back up. Push it back up, please. Please and thank you, please. Have I gone in? No, but I'm watching for this pop back up to like 630 to 660. Do we get it? I'm not entirely sure, but that's what I'd like to see. The problem is opening range low is at like 610, so he might bounce or might reject a little early, but I'd like to see up to like 630 to 660 ideally. Let's go ahead and take this off. That's out of play for now. Come on. It's not going to do it. At least it's not looking like it wants to do it. It's fighting down here. I'm not going to get to trap any late buyers. Come on, market. Give us the pop back up. Come on, baby. Come on. Are we going to get the classic 2-bar? We might. Come on. How is there just no pullback after this? None, not even a little. I'd love to see like 630 to 660 with stops above 700. Come on. Push us up. Push us up, baby. We arguably could try to like 610 to 630 with stops above 665. That's an option too. That is definitely an option too. Definitely an option too. Come on, just push us up a little bit. Just push us up a little bit. Come on. Come on, baby. Push us up so we can go back down. Target pre-market low. It does not. I don't think we're going to get it, guys. This selling is really aggressive. We'll see. It's thinking about it. Come on. Come on. Push it up further. Come on. Really? 600. Really? 600, not 610. Really, NQ? Come on. This is my target zone in here for shorts. Oh, it's frustrating. All right, I got to piss. I'm putting a limit short order at 610. So if we go to 610, I'll fill a starter of shorts. I'll be right back. I got to take a piss. Oh, damn, I thought I was going to come back and get filled. It's not going to give it to us, guys. Now that setup's invalidated. It's not going to give it to us. I need to cancel that limit so I don't get filled later. That's crazy. Literally 10 points below. Well, the setup's technically invalid, or at least less probable, because we tested 10 points early, and then we made a new low a day. So I'm still open, I guess, to looking for a pop-up. It's just less likely. Your probabilities go down. Does it mean that it 100% won't work? No, but does it mean your probabilities go down? Yes. I think we're going to target this pre-market low as well. I'd still love to find an entry. Think it's invalid for better start entering? No. I'm good to wait. Got about 35 more minutes. So what is that? 7 more candles? It's like we're going to Bath and Body Works. We'll be trading from Turks next week. That's awesome. Few good ideas, but no executions yet. This area still technically looks like I'm open to it. It just doesn't look as probable with that move down. So we'll see if we can move back up and then move further down. That's what I'd like to see. And we don't have volume on this, so I can't 2-bar this either. I won't 2-bar this. That is annoying. 2-bar days are not gone. Just didn't work. It's not, I mean, it didn't even not work today. It just didn't set up. We could also watch for a bounce at this pre-market low, too. If we flush it and then move up, that's something that's been working a lot in this market. Not my typical type of trade, but just watching this go down without me. Watching it move down. I like shorts too, but I don't chase breakouts. No way. Sometimes you'll make money on breakouts. You can. It just isn't something I like for long-term profitability. Doesn't mean it can't work for you. I just don't like trading breakouts. That's not my thing. Where's this volume? Where's our volume at in these candles? Dun, 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 dun. Gonna rock your body, please stay. We're still not going to get a 2-bar here. Come on. Doesn't look like it's going to confirm the volume. We'll see. Ugh. Go long here. I'd be careful. Could, but just be careful. Gonna rock your body. Please stay. Still like the idea of, don't love, I like. Actually, It's going to say 630, 640. That's our 50% retracement. We might get a 2-bar here too. 560 to 505. Still got meat in the bone. My idea right now is we either A, watch for a pop up to like 520, 530 with stops above 560. And if that fails, can still watch for this like 600 area with stops above 660. Come on, push up to like 530. Doesn't look like it's going to. I want to see lower, but I want to see a pop up first. If we don't get a retracement, I don't trade. And gosh dang it, it doesn't look like we're going to get it. Does bro ever take a trade? Just not many. Not a lot, but I do. Yeah, I appreciate quality. Dude, come on. Give a pullback. Just no retracements during this whole move down. Only retracement I liked. Missed right here. And then just straight move down. Come on. No, we never got the orb retracement. I was going to say we never got 610. We got 600. We didn't get 610. Bro, come on. Pull back up immediately. It's technically the 2-bar isn't fully valid because we took out that previous low, but it's still semi-valid. I'm nice green in the week. Over 3,000 on the live account, so we'll take it. It's not ideal, but got about 30 more minutes. I still think we test pre-market low. Crude is ripping. Oh yeah, oil is ripping. Oil is moving. That's so annoying. But staying patient, waiting. Still like that area, 520, 530. I don't really day trade oil. I'll look at oil, but I don't think they're going to make this easy on me. I don't love that reversal candle either. Still watch like 530. I'll still watch this area for a redirect with hard stops above 563. And then, oh my gosh, it's not going to give it. Just nothing deep. No deep retracements today. I'd like to see a move back up to here and continuation down, or there's a world where we go test this pre-market low, a sweep, and move back up, and I'd be willing to long that. That's the only time I'd be willing to long. It's in that demand. No more. I should have been at the office trading. Then we'd be guaranteed green on a Friday. Come on. I don't think we're going to get it. I don't think we're going to. Yeah, we're not going to get it. That's probably going to be a no trade day for me. If we go to a pre-market low, the only other thing I have is if we get a high volume reversal candle here for longs. Besides that, I won't take any shorts down there. It would take like a 50% retracement or an aggressive retracement back up for me to try any shorts. And I'll lose control. I'm not shorting 500. I want to see 520 to 530. That's my first watch with stops above like 565. Too much risk doing it down here. Come on. Do I still teach DOD every day? Come on. Come on. I have two watches, 520 to 530 is my first watch for shorts with stops above 565. And then I will watch that like 600, 630 area. I'm going to start a piece of shorts above 520 right here, guys. 520 to 530. $525 area, you have about 30 points of risk. Or 40 points of risk, actually. If I lose this, I'll watch for like 620 area. I don't have any other setups besides those two areas. Besides that, not a lot. I don't like that 5-minute candle. That's not great. That does not look ideal. Let's see what my max risk is here. $564. Max risk is, it's not bad. Less than 1,000. We got two watches. This area right here, we're at right now. Or we wait for a retracement up to like 620. Those are my only two watches I'll try for shorts. If that don't work, then I'll be red, but I'll keep my green weak. So better than last week. Don't make a higher low. Come on. I don't like what this 5 minutes doing, but I'm going to keep my stops in place at 563. I think 563 or 564. There we go. And then if that fails, I'll watch for 620. It'd be a retracement up to like this opening range low and this VWAP. If that fails, then I'll be red in the day. Maybe the 2-bar is cooked. If we get up to 620 again, that's my only other watch, guys. It's the only other area I'll try shorts. It's up at like 620. 610 to like 620 area with stops above 662. Come on. Don't go higher. Nope, I'm still in. 24,564.25 is my exact stop loss. If we wick above, I'll be stopped out, which it looks like we're about to do. Then my only other try, I'll try it again at 600 to 620. I swear, if it wicks up, only to die, I'm going to be so salty. All right, now, gosh damn it. Now I'm out of this trade, guys. If we get up to 600, I'll try again. That's all that I have. Go up to 600, 610 to 620 area. I'll try it again. Besides that, nothing. The last chance trade that I have for shorts is up here at like the 620 area. right here. We get up there, I'll try it one more time, and if we end up breaking above 660, I'll be out. Why does it keep drawing? Gosh darn it. Well, less than $1,000, so that's good. We get up to like 600 to 620. It's my last try for shorts. Push up here, I'll try it, and if that doesn't work, I will be done for the day. Q. All right, here we go. I swear if we wake up here and die, I will be so salty. Come on, make the higher low, then push up 600 and then let us die. That's fine. We can make a 50% retracement and then move down. That's okay with me. 630. Last area I like right here, guys, the 600 to 620. We see a move up to here. I'm willing to try shorts and target that pre-market low. I still think that can be a good setup. We might. It's possible. Don't you dare flush right here. Don't you dare flush. Don't you dare flush right here. Don't you dare flush. I got about 20 more minutes. So we're going to need something aggressive to happen now. Otherwise, I'm going to call it a day at around 9:30, 9:35. Don't you dare flush here. Don't you do it. Don't you dare do it. Don't you dare even think about it. Why does it keep doing that? There we go. I swear, if it wicks up there, I'd rather see it aggressively move up. And I'm like, all right, well, I knew my stop loss is valid. Then literally a wick 64 up to 60, 69, so 5 points. That is going to be a foul wick if that ends up being what stopped me on that. Come on, push us up to like 600. Ain't no way, bro. Bottles on night, baby. You can have. Come on. I swear, if we went up and wicked that to go to low day, I'm just done. I don't know what I'm done with, but I'm done. No way, bruh. No way. No way, dog. Ain't no way it's gonna do that. It wouldn't do that. No way. I don't like this volume, but no, I'm feeling so fly like a G6. I was halfway tempted to try shorts again up here, but I'd rather see that 600. I ride in my ride like 3-6. Come on. Yep, I like that 600 area too. 600 to 620. I don't hate shorts up here. I just would rather say 600. I'm not sure what happens though. I don't hate shorts up in like the 20 to 30 still. Still like that area. I just like 600 more. Bruh. This was what I wanted to see right here. This is what I wanted to see is right here. That is very, very, very annoying. Bro. $5 points. So high here, 546. Don't tell me that's going to go low a day. Don't tell me that. Higher volume, 546. It's the low, 562. Pop up. I'm taking shorts. Gonna we pop up again, guys. Trying it one more time. We pop up. I don't hate the idea here. It's just higher risk. Looks like we want to go test that low a day below 460, but I'd rather see a pop up first. We're going low a day here. I'm so tempted. If I was scalping, I'd probably try it earlier. I'd probably try a piece down here, but for A plus entry, I want to see like 490 to 500. Trading micros. I'm going to start a piece of shorts. Little higher risk trade. I'm starting a piece of shorts with micros. 470s. Just micros. Baby piece. I have room to add it up to 500 with stops above 546. Like this whole area, 475 to 500. Trade's not valid at 546. Or yeah, 546. That's right. Just micros. So I have room to add 2 more times if need be. I took a what I like to call a just in case piece. So only 5 micros. If you want a better risk reward, wait for like 500. 490, 500 with stops above 546. But I did try it. So got to move to low a day, 461. I still like a pop-up ideally and a perfect world like 500 with stops above 546. If you guys want a better risk reward area, if you want the last trade I like right now, unless we test 600 later, it's not going to happen right now, is like 490 to 500 for shorts. I did take a just in case piece down here on 75. So I did try it a little early with micros, but that'll be a very small. I'll need a big trade to get anything out of that. You're better than this. What are you talking about? If you want less risk, just wait till like 500. I still think we could pop up there. 490, 500 area. I'm guaranteed ending my week green, though. I'll tell you guys that much. Pop below the 660. If you guys, my main trade I want is like a retest like 500 area. 500 area with stops above like 545. It's the main area I like. Five, 500 area is what I like. This whole zone up here. We got to move down to like 454, which wasn't terrible. I like 500 area. It's 480 to 500. It's the main area I'd watch for any ads with stops above like 544. Hard stops are a must in this market, everybody. Hard stops are an absolute must. What do you guys' main area I like is 480 to 500 with stops above like 544. We got to move down to like 456 already, but I'd like to see a low a day tested. Best risk entry if you're on screen share is right around here. But I like this whole 480, 500 area with stops at like 545. Or if you want to wait for a real good trend entry, you sleep like 600 and then move lower. That's the ultimate one. If you guys took the 80s area ad, you can move your stops down to like 89. Or 90. If you guys want to keep your stops intact, you can. Or you can move them down to near break even. It's up to you. I personally want to see low a day. So I'm willing to wait. This is the main area I like up here, is this 90 to 25,000 with stops at like 545. This area right in here, getting up there. This is the main area I like, everybody, for shorts. This is the last chance I have. If I lose this trade, I'm done. I want you in my life. I want you to go down. Oh, I don't love that 5-minute candle. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm trimming this ad from up there, guys. I'm trimming this ad from up there, guys. Come on, go low a day. I want to see low a day. Come on, baby. I'm moving my stops down. 25,000 area is up 40 points right now. Come on. Push down. Push down. Come on, baby. Stops are at break even now, guys. Add it up there twice, around 25,000. Push us down now. Come on. Come on, 40 points. Where are the haters at now? Shut your mouth, baby. Shut up. Let's go. Low a day, baby. Where they at? Where they at? Quit doubting me. I found your picture in the mirror. Let's go. Woo! Where the haters at? Don't do it. Don't take those shorts. It's a bad idea, bro. Shut your mouth up, baby. Let's go. Come on. The levels don't lie. Levels don't lie. Come on, baby. Taking a little more off down here. Stops are still set. Let's go. Yo, baby. Where they at? Where they at? Where they at? Where they at? No. Where they at? Where they at? Where they at? No. Where they at? Where they at? Where they at? No. Not up in here. Let's go, baby. 60 points. 60 points. Come on, baby. Yeah, where the haters at? Silence. Silence. Hush. Hush, my haters. Come on. My stops are at 80. I'm happy with it. My stops are at 80, everybody. We want lower. We want that pre-market low. Yeah, hush. We got what I wanted. New low a day, 50, 60 points. I'm happy. We're green. The win streak continues. Come on. That's the perfect example of when I'm okay with averaging down, when I plan it out beforehand. When I plan an early entry, but I'll average down during it, that's fine. When you don't want to average down is when you don't plan it beforehand. I'm just happy we caught a winner. And I'm out of this trade, guys. The haters can say what they want, but we caught a winner. Let's go. My trading strategy is gambling. So when I lose, I suck, but when I win, it's gambling. How am I supposed to win? How do I win with these people? I still think we can go to lows too, but I'm taking my green. I'm taking my green. All right, for all the winners who caught that with me, or maybe you're still in, I'm personally taking my green. How much you guys make on that trade? I'm the short king. How much? You know what? Screw the haters. Talk to me, baby. If you caught 50, 60 points on that with no drawdown, mind you, for main ad area, how much you guys make on that? 230, 437, 173, 320, 300, 500, 1800, 530, 5K, small wins, big losses. What? Whoops. Big wins, small losses. Come on. 230, 173, 320, 535, 59, 300, 400, 1050, 120, 10 pesos. We'll take it. Wins a win. 535, 450. Let's go. I still think we want pre-market low, but I'm chilling. I'm taking my money. I'm taking my money. You're still in shorts from up there, then you're really chilling. This still looks like it wants lower. Still looks like it wants lower on the 5-minute chart. Yeah, heads or tails. That's how I win. Yep. But if I lose, it's just because I suck. That makes a lot of sense. Got it. Let's go. Told you guys over and over, 24,500 was the area. 80 to 500. Like, I could not have been clearer that when I was adding, that was the area the whole time. And now we're going to go low a day. Now we're going to get down to that pre-market low. I don't trade ICT, bro. I don't know if he wins or losses, but I heard he takes back shots. I do. I love back shots. That's my favorite. Of all the types of shots that I take, back ones are my favorite. I love me a good back day where I can get some nice pictures of my back. It's definitely my favorite. We do pray for the haters. You come in here every day and watch my lives and say I don't trade. Why? I will never understand that. When I just caught a 60-pointer. I'll never get that. I'll never understand that. You know what? Maybe I'm not meant to understand it. Maybe I'm not meant to understand it. We pray for him. Yes, sir, Tyler. Let's go. Damn, now we're going to get that. I'm just happy we caught a winning trade. Told you I was going to get you. Told you I was going to get you right. Damn, now we're getting it. That's what I wanted to see. Rapido, rapido, rapido. Now let's see if we sweep this low and bounce up. I am going to go soon, though. I'm just happy we caught a winner. You guys see that video I posted yesterday? Been learning and trading for 5 years with Team Bull, and your education and long-term performance speak for themselves. Great trade. Let's go. About the clown. Yeah, that shit was so funny. That video was absolutely hilarious. I want to, here we go.
All right, you guys know. All right, you guys know that I don't. All right, you guys.
All right, I'm going to put this on. You guys, you got to see this. This is hilarious. You guys got to watch this. If you haven't yet, this is literally hilarious.
know that I don't do drama, so for me to make a video like this, it takes a lot. I don't care when people talk about me, but when my followers message me and say someone is lying on my name as aggressively as this guy is, which mind you, was a student of mine, and I have receipts up, I'll show you in a second, I gotta respond. So this guy, name blocked out, don't want to give him recognition, don't care about him, don't have a problem with him, says that I joined his live and copied his trade, and sent this message that can't even use Gram. He's also watching and screenshotting my stories where I'm transparent about any loss I take, which is also weird, but whatever. Anywho, so bro starts messaging me back in 2023, which is fine. He's being super nice, asking about my family, and being a genuinely nice guy. He then buys my mastermind back in the day, says he's pumped to work for me and to never hesitate to invest in yourself, which I also agree with. He then wrote me a testimonial saying he was very happy with the experience. He loved what he learned. He was very happy with the mastermind. He made his money back in the first day. Team goals and A+ trading community. And he'll even post the testimonial in the Discord if I like. Best wishes. And this really fucking sucks because he had a cancer scare and God bless him, I think he's better now. But after I found that out and that he was better, I gave him a code for free Team Bull merch. Made him a code that said fuck cancer because I cared about the guy. I wanted to see him win. I want to see everybody win. So again, I don't have a problem with the dude. I hope that he wins. I hope that everybody wins. But keep my name out of your mouth with these fucking lies, bro. What the fuck is that? Like, come on. A Jdun in chat that can't even spell or use grammar. Like, you should know. If you really know me, I'm a grammar freak, right? I don't fuck shit up often. If I do, I fix my grammar. So, take care. God bless. All right, you guys know that I don't do drama.
All right, how about that? Like what? Don't. We got receipts, baby. Come on. Like I don't do drama. I don't hate on nobody. But if you're gonna spread some BS like this, like that, come on. Show grace through strength. Yeah, usually, but if someone's talking to you and lying, I'm gonna let it be known. And it's like, bro, I got receipts. Like you took my program and wrote a testimonial. Like I taught you. What? Look at that. Look at that pre-market low bounce. Look at that. That's what's been happening in this market, guys. It's literally been a supply to demand type of market. Well, I'm glad we caught a banger, guys.
Make a video like this. It takes
Oh,
a lot.
whoop. Should you long now? And I'd wait for this candle to close. Maybe you get like a solid reversal candle and then 2-bar it with stops below the low. You can do that. Damn, we really tested that high and then dipped. Glad we caught a winner today, guys. Glad we caught a winner. Everyone's saying, Jdun, don't do it. Don't try that trade up there. Why? Fits the system. Fits the trend. All right, guys. I am going to mob off. But you know what? Let me see something before I go. Let me go see something real quick. Hold on. I wonder if I have... I wonder if I have something right here. Oh, I'm just checking my my time. My time and stuff. Definitely nothing else. Just checking my my time. Yeah. Yeah, my time. Just checking my. Hope you're paying attention, Team Bull. You better be ready. Tick, 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 tick. First come, first serve. Who's gonna get it? Who's gonna be the lucky one? Checking my my time. Yeah. Damn. Yeah, they patched the road codes, guys. They patched the road codes, so literally only one person gets it now. Who got it? AMG? Who's the sniper? I wonder if he sent me any codes. Attaboy. Attaboy AMG. That's what I'm talking about. Damn, Top Step tweeted discipline over dopamine. That is funny. I should reply and be like, I've heard this before. Top Step's last tweet literally said discipline greater than dopamine. I should be like, where'd you guys hear that? Where'd you guys hear that? I swear I've heard that once or twice. I already have it trademarked. I own the website too. But I mean, they're not like doing it to make money. I don't care. If it gets the message out, I'm happy with it. Do it. I need the whole world knowing DOD. Need the whole world trading DOD. If it's good for traders, it's good for me. I can't say down step anymore. They've been better lately. I was just giving Top Step crap when they kept going down. But if they don't go down, then... And this is not having that reversal you'd want to see. You got that initial move and then just died. All right, guys, I'm really leaving now. God bless you guys. Thank you for being a part of Team Bull. It's truly an honor. You guys trust me with your education. You guys trust me with your learning. Sorry the trades took a little longer today, but I'm glad we could catch a bigger winner than loser. So, big winner. Got exactly what we wanted. Got that low a day. And also got some ads in there. So, that was great. God bless you guys. Trade smart, trade safe. And let's get after it next week. Bye, everybody. Peace. Do something positive for yourself this weekend. Don't throw away your routine just because it's the weekend. Your outside discipline directly impacts your trading discipline. So remember that. It's all correlated. It all goes together. Live DOD. Trade DOD. I'll see you guys on Monday. Peace.